welcome back to another video. Today we're playing a bit more Beast Room. No, I accidentally showed how I am. So we did a bit of off-camera mining, and we got a bit better. So you know, I have the honey mask, porcelain dipper, porcelain back. Actually, I had porcelain dipper back last time. I have the Bucko and Riley B guards. I have honey belt. I have the boots. My character's a bit different. I have a billion honey. Today we did a mega boost with and got that much which is insane. Yeah, Mr. Friend got 475 billion, which is insane. We did some off-camera grinding. I almost have enough for Petal Wand. What I'm missing is like 3 bear quests. I don't like Spirit Bear anymore. You got Boing Feet, nice. Yeah. That's and I need 8 enzymes. And I need 500k honey because 500 million honey because I accidentally overspent on treats and got my hive all to level 9, a level 10, and a level 11. Because I gotta have that nice vicious beat up at the highest level. I have to feed coconut crab twice. I don't feel like doing it again because it takes like an hour. I'm not sure if I had a translator in the last video, but I had a translator and gave it to Bucko. Is that his name? Yeah, so that's how I am right now. We did a mega boost using the codes. Yeah, I don't feel like listening to it. It's just too complicated. But they give us honey day and times 5 wealth clock. Wait, can I use my wealth clock again? Because why not? Always use a wealth clock when you can. 5 minutes. I've done tons of quests. My quest badge is at. Where's my quest badge at? Yeah, it's that. It's better than before. But and my goo badge is nice. I got some master badges. Today I got Pine Tree Master because we did a mega boost in Pine Tree. That's one that got so much. It's such a nice boost. I highly recommend using the codes. But they're in the Beast Swarm Discord server. In one of the channels, not challenge. Look at this Spirit Bear. Spirit Bear sucks. What about your hive change? Your 7 tadpole bees? Look at this. Look how many bees. Didn't you do this just today though? Yep. All in a day. Yeah, so we just kind of off-camera grinded. I technically have enough for the puppy bee, I think. Wait, do I? Yeah, I have enough for puppy bee. I'm just saving for a star treat. Because puppy bee actual dookie. Wait, can I? Yeah, unless it's gifted. Yeah, I'm saving for this thing that's 1,000 tickets. Because that will help me get my... Which one do you think I should gift? That's 50% critical power. Convert rate? I don't really care about convert rate. I usually use micros or ticket converter things. The only time I convert is if I have a balloon. I could do Windy Bee. Just kidding. I wish I had Windy Bee. What about Gummy? Nah, Festive. Cobalt, bro, Cobalt. I'm just kidding. I wish I had Bearby, bro. That would be insane. I could do Photon. He's 5% inconvert. What do you say? You're cutting out. Well, I don't have Bearby. I wish I did. Yeah, I wish I had Bearby. Beesmas? Do you have the ×2 pollen pass? Yeah, nice. It's really overpowered. And it's still good. Yeah, it's still pretty good. I'm gonna buy some tickets with some Robux. Just kidding. The most I could buy is like a few tickets. Bro, no, I'm gonna buy a honey vault. Yes. The honey's the worst investment ever. My stump's 17 mil. On your stump now or your stump last stump? Just kidding, of course you're. Yeah, cause you've killed. How many? What stump amulet do you have? That's nice. I wish I had that. I'm just kind of getting. I just really need gifted types because I want to get that gold. I could just royal jelly. I have a ton of royal jelly extra. I can. Well, I can use up to like 455, but that would make me go under enzyme need thing. Bro, I already am under honey. 500 mil. No, I'm not going under budget again. That's. Nah, I can't do. I only get that much in a mega boost, bro. That was our only source. Actually, we can still do. But we have no more. 3 boosts won't make. I don't think I can get it back in 3 boosts. That's 3 lucky boosts times 3 and 7 wins, like good wins and boosts. I should probably do some action because this is kind of boring for the viewers. This video has only been 10 minutes because I just kind of want to show them how we've done, I guess, something like that. Yeah, I have a spare. Always have a spare honeybee jelly in your pocket because you never know when you might accidentally honeybee your honeybee. I mean, royal jelly your honeybee. Honeybee your honeybee. I remember when I used to spend my honey on tickets and my tickets on gumdrops to get the best bee of all, gummy bee, my favorite bee. Yes, the edible bee. Yeah, let's hope your gummy bee doesn't eat your gummy boots. I wonder if they added anything new to the maze. Which maze are you talking about? Because there's many different mazes. That's amazing. Sorry. All this is just a sunflower. Seed. Are they called seeds? Wait. Okay, my brain just farted. Wait, am I allowed to say that on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I farted. For once, I hope audio doesn't get put into this video. Just kidding. Of course, I hope. Okay, we'll try this one. Tickets. Yeah, I'm gonna end it. I'm a level 25. Wait, sure. What do you mean level 12? Yeah, I'm level 12. Okay, we're gonna end the video here.